Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're comparing some of the best beginner cameras in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, this video will help you find the perfect camera for your needs. When choosing a beginner camera, there are a few key factors to consider: ease of use, affordability, image quality, and versatility. We've selected 4 top contenders for 2025. The Canon EOS R50, Olympus OMD-AM10 Mark III, Nikon ZFC, and Fuji Film X-T32. First up, the Canon EOS R50. This mirrorless camera is lightweight, compact, and user-friendly. It offers excellent image quality and a vari-angle touchscreen, making it easy to shoot from different angles. Next, we have the Olympus OMD-AM10 Mark III. This camera is known for its affordability and ease of use. It's a great option for those on a budget, with a user-friendly interface and high-quality images. The Nikon ZFC is a stylish and modern camera that combines classic design with advanced features. It has a 20.9 megapixels UP-C sensor and 4K video capabilities, making it a versatile choice for beginners. Finally, we have the Fuji Film X-T32. This camera offers a retro design with modern technology. It's compact, lightweight, and provides excellent image quality with its 26.1 megapixels APS-C sensor. Let's take a closer look at the key features of each camera. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless APS-C 24.1 Vari-Angle Touchscreen, 4K Video. Olympus OMD-AM10 Mark III Mirrorless Micro Four Thirds 16.1 User-Friendly Interface, Lightweight. Nikon ZFC Mirrorless APS-C 20.9 Classic Design, 4K Video. Fujifilm X-T32 Mirrorless APS-C 26.1 Retro Design, High Image Quality. In conclusion, all 4 cameras are excellent choices for beginners, each with its own strengths. The Canon EOS R50 is our top pick for its versatility and ease of use, but the Olympus OMD-AM10 Mark III, Nikon ZFC, and Fujifilm X-T32 are also great options depending on your preferences and budget. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need more recommendations, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in next video.